Hi, my name is Stacy with WTI. Recently, we gave a friend a puzzle that we had done and we put it together for her in a frame. And to make sure that it stuck to the back of the frame, we got this puzzle Presto kit. It was super easy to use and we love it because it made sure that the puzzle is going to stick to the board. So to use it, all you have to do is just follow the simple directions that come in the package. This is just a peel and stick sticker, and you just put it right on the back of the puzzle and then go ahead and roll it down with a roller, which was super easy and fun actually to do. And then after, I framed the puzzle and it was all ready for our friend. So awesome idea, really simple and easy to use. I didn't want to use glue like I had seen in some other kits, but I really love the peel and stick idea. The package did come with plenty of the stickers and we used a 1,000-piece puzzle. So it made it just right to right around the edges of the puzzle. It was exactly what we needed for that size. So that was a great, easy solution to doing our puzzle as a picture, and that's my point of view.